On June 10, 2024, Malawi faced a heart-rending loss. Vice President Saulos Chilima, a beacon of leadership and reform, tragically perished in a plane crash in the Chikangawa mountain range. Today, I want to reflect on his profound impact and honor his memory. Born on February 12, 1973, Chilima first made his mark in the corporate world, climbing the ranks at Unilever and Airtel Malawi. His leap into politics was bold and decisive. Elected vice president in 2014 alongside President Peter Mutharika, and then re-elected in 2020 with President Lazarus Chakwera, his political journey was nothing short of remarkable. Chilima was a fierce advocate against corruption and pushed tirelessly for public sector reforms. Even as controversies touched him, alleging corruption, his commitment never wavered. He stood firm, a stalwart for transparency and accountability. The details of the tragic accident that claimed his life are still unfolding. The dense forests and rugged terrain of the Chikangawa range posed a formidable challenge that ended in tragedy. As the nation mourns, our government has declared a period of national mourning, a tribute to a man who served with unyielding dedication. The implications of his sudden departure are vast. With the vice president's position now vacant, the eyes of Malawi and the world are keenly watching the next steps. This tragic event underscores the unpredictability of political life and the crucial need for robust succession planning. Across Malawi, from the bustling streets to the quiet villages, people are mourning. Social media and public squares are flooded with tributes. Internationally, leaders express condolences, recognizing Chilima's role in fostering democracy and development. As we conclude, let's remember Vice President Saulos Chilima not just for the way he died, but for how he lived, striving for good governance and tirelessly working for the people. His legacy is a beacon for Malawi's future, a reminder of the resilience and unity we must uphold in these challenging times. His spirit and dedication will continue to inspire not just Malawians, but all who strive for justice and integrity in leadership. Saulos Chilima's legacy will indeed live on, as we as a nation come together to navigate this difficult period and continue his vital work. Let's honor his memory by committing ourselves to the values he championed. Thank you for joining me today in remembering a remarkable leader whose life's work was truly larger than himself.